Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through one of the most effective tools for traders, the Fibonacci retracement right inside TradingView. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to draw Fibonacci levels correctly, but also how to set up that crucial golden zone, so your charts are clear, focused, and ready for real decision making. Let's jump right in. Once you have a chart open in TradingView with your chosen asset, the first thing you'll want to do is find the Gann and Fibonacci tools. These are usually on the left side toolbar of your TradingView window. When you click on that tools icon, it'll open a drop-down menu with several different drawing tools. Take a moment to scan through. What you want to select here is Fib Retracement. It might be abbreviated or have a small icon that looks like a diagonal line with several horizontal lines crossing it. Don't worry if you need a second to find it. Now with the Fibonacci retracement tool selected, it's time to actually draw it on your chart. Here, how you do it. You want to find the most recent swing low and swing high. The swing low is simply the lowest visible point before the price starts heading upward, and the swing high is where that up move peaks out before turning back down. To draw, just click once at the lowest point of that swing, then drag your cursor up to the highest point and click again. You'll see the Fibonacci levels automatically appear stretched between those 2 points. If you're new to this, picture it like measuring a ramp's incline. You need the start and end points to get the right measurement. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to find the most obvious swing. Sometimes price can be choppy and it's not always crystal clear, so just do your best to identify those high and low points. Now that your Fibonacci retracement has been plotted, you might notice that there are a ton of lines on your chart. This can get pretty messy and overwhelming, especially if you're trying to focus on just the most significant support and resistance levels. So next, move your cursor over the fib lines until you see a small Settings button or right-click for options. Go to Settings. Here's where you can customize which levels are displayed. You'll see a list of all the Fibonacci levels that TradingView has added by default, like 0.236, 0.382, 0.5, 0.618, 0.786, and so on. But for most practical trading, especially if you're looking for those high-probability trades, the most important levels to keep are the 0.382 and 0.618. These are known as the golden zone. That's because statistically, retracements to these levels often act as powerful support or resistance, kind of like pressure points in the market where buyers and sellers fight it out. So here's what you do. Simply disable or uncheck all the other levels except for 0.382, 0.618, and also keep 0 and 1. The 0 and 1 mark the very start and end of your measurement and help orient you, almost like the anchor points of a bridge. And if you want your chart extra clean, you can even change the color of these lines. Pick something that stands out to your eyes but doesn't blend into your background. A touch of customization can actually help reduce mistakes in a fast-moving market. And that's pretty much it. You've set up a powerful Fibonacci retracement tool that zeroes in on the most useful levels without the noise. Take your time practicing placing the retracements. Every chart is a little different, and with experience, you'll trust your eye to spot the right swings. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful. If you did, give the video a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more advanced techniques in the future. Don't forget to subscribe for more smart trading tutorials, and I'll catch you in the next one.